rule. Okay. All right, here we go. Now remember, you have study percentage, right? This is probably going to come up with your CA2. You must first understand the question, okay? Okay, do you understand? She put $1,500 in the bank, and the bank will pay her some benefit. They call it interest every year. You put in $100, you get $2. 2%. Then if she didn't withdraw any money, she left the money in the bank, how much money will there be in the bank? It should be more than 1,500, right? Because she earned some interest. So how much is it? Shafia, come back, Shafia. Don't turn on your video, Shafia. Don't run away. Where are you going to, Shafia? See, I got to catch this girl. She's very fast, you know. The other time she pretended to be Putra, right? Kashyap, like a spy. We find out how much is she paid in interest. See, what is this teacher talking about interest? We will go through shortly. You try 1 minute now. You try to think. You got to find out the interest in 1 year. Try, try. Use your calculator. Okay, you are allowed to use your calculator. Naomi, can you find out what's the interest now? The interest 2% in 1 year. She put $1,500 in the bank. How much will she get? Can Putra? Okay, very simple. Very simple. See, you read this. She's paid 2% a year. So what is 2%? 2% of this amount. How to do? You do 2% is 2/100 times by what? 1,500. Okay, so you find out how much. You use your calculator to find this. How much do you get? Come, Naomi, you got calculator? Don't know calculator, Naomi. Use your calculator, find out 2 divided by 30. So what does it mean? It means if Chai Hong put the money in the bank for 1 year, the bank will pay her $30 at the end of 1 year. Why they pay $30? To encourage her to save money. Why does the bank want the money? You know why not? Because the bank will lend out this money, you know. Your money that you put inside, they will lend out. You see what? If the bank lend out, I got no more, my money disappear. That one, there is a way because there's so many people putting the money in the bank. So normally they still have more money. But you are right. If you say, if the bank lend out the money, then the people cannot pay back the money, they can become bankrupt. Then the bank got no more money, suddenly all your savings, they say, very sorry, no more money. And then you lose all your money in the bank. Has this happened before? Yes, it has. But in Singapore, no, I don't think so. Okay, so now she put $1,500 in her bank account. She get $30. So how much money does she have after 1 year? Must plus the 2 lah. 1,500 plus 30. That's what you get now. 1,500 3. Oh, now you see she got more money. Can you see now? Slightly more. Okay. Hold on. Okay, we try the next one. Okay, you try. Oh, not this one. Okay, we try a little bit of ratio. Okay. Good try, Naomi. You know your mistake, huh? Just now earlier on, you cannot take percentage plus the money cannot plus. You must find how much is it in money. Good try. Come, ratio. Ratio is was tested last semester. Huh? Last semester. Can do or not? Putra, you know how to do it, Putra? Putra, you doing Putra? Okay, no problem. Not sure. Okay, come. So you read. Okay, we read the question together first. First, must understand the question. There are 3 persons: Sally, Farida, Alian. They share a packet of stickers. A pack of stickers and ratio of 12. Then Sally get 12 units. Farida, Alian. Normally you say Alian, like a gangster Chinese girl. But yeah, this one, her name is Alian. Okay, Farida got 11 units, 9 units Alian has. So you can write like that. Sally, this is the ratio, is to Farida, is to Alian. So you write 12 is to 11 is to 9. Then they say the total number of stickers Sally and Farida had, both of them, the total number of stickers they had is how much? 98 more. 98 more than Alian. Oh, 98 more.
Then Alian should be 1.
So how to do this one? First, you find how many units Sally and Farida have. How many units? Can find out. Putra, how many units Sally and Farida have? Sally and Farida got how many units?
They have, yes, 23 units.
23 units. So you take 12 plus 11, we get 23 units. Good, well done. So down here, you see, now you need to take 12 plus 11. So what do you get? You get 23 units according to Putra, and he's correct. 23 units. I put the word units here. Like that. U I put U. U stands for units. Alian got how many units? Alian?
1.
Not 1, 9 down here, 9. How come we get 1? Alian got 9 units. So how many more units does Sally and Farida have compared to Alian? How many more? You got to minus 23 minus 9. How much you get?
14.
14. So this 14 units is equals to 98. Why? Because they say that Sally and Farida has 98 more stickers than Alian. Can you see now? Got 98 more stickers. That means, and the units is they have 14 more units. So 14 units is 98. Find out what's 1 unit. Come, use your calculator now. Find out what's your 1 unit. Anyone? 1 unit is how many? 7. 1 unit is 7 stickers, So how many, they ask you find the total number of stickers all of the girls have. How many units are there?
9.
Not 9. Yeah. All of them. This was it 23. 23 plus 9.
32.
32 units. So if 1 unit is 7, 32 units
So
is how
it
much?
means 32 times 7.
Yes. So what's the answer?
Answer is 224.
224. Yes. And this is your answer, 224 stickers. You must learn to be able to do this. This is considered quite easy. If let's say it come out of PSLE, it's considered not so difficult. And it's in the beginning of your paper 2, so it's not so tough. Okay. So if you need time to copy this, or if you want to copy, if you don't want to copy, it's okay. Okay, I'm going to move on, okay? I'm going to erase last week. Don't erase. Right, erase?
Erase.
Erase, okay. You can watch the video also. Now we try the next one. Later, after this, it'll be slightly easier. This one ratio again. But it might not be tested ratio. We do something that you're tested on ratio again. Come see. Decimal, yeah, I think you're right. We should do decimal. This one. A little bit tricky. A little bit tricky. This one is. Wow, this is. Can you try this? Come, you try this. This one is a little bit unique. You must try to fill up the receipt lah. So down here now. You must find out how much they pay for all the 3 items. Chicken noodle, then plus the GST.
Then why about this thing?
Your side is too noisy. Okay. So yeah, this thing that means you're supposed to fill up lah. Imagine 7% GST is how much? Total is how much? How much did he give? How much is the change? So last part you must know what is the change. How much cash did he give? $20. So down here you can fill up $20. You see, this is inside a real receipts, you know. Have you seen real receipts, right? Okay, I'm going to show you real receipts. Because some of you all don't observe what's in the receipt, or many don't observe. So, but you try to see
A
how.
receipt is like a paper.
Yeah, but have you observed the receipt?
No.
Okay, let's see.
I just have words.
Words, yeah, but you must look at what they are asking you to pay
Number.
I don't know.
Barcode.
Password. Yes, it's numbers and all. Okay, let's see now.
Barcode.
Barcode and all. Yes, you're right. Okay, I am going to try to. I don't have the receipt here. Okay, let me see. When you go, because this is all dealing with life, you know. You know what's life? This is you have to okay. Down here. Can we see? Sorry, it's not this one. This one. Can you see? So this one is my receipt. I went to Saffron. So let us see now. Saffron restaurant. So there was few of us. We makan prata telur, and then prata kosong, then Milo, coffee, teh o limau, ice water. So they add up. Not me alone It's not me alone, but 4 persons. We were doing the shoot for the documentary. You know which part? The one shooting Andalus. I think so. So now all of this we add up. We get 1840. So let us look at the question as now. Okay, the question now. Hold on, the question. Let's see where's the question down here. Can you see? Add. You get subtotal. What subtotal? Is everything together. How much you have to pay together like this? Add. You get subtotal. Can you see subtotal? This is you must add up together. So first step. Can you add up all this first? Get the subtotal. You must know how you look. This is like the real receipt, you know. You must know all this. Okay, you can say, no, I don't want to do maths. You are going to eat outside next time. After someone cheat you, you do not know. You made a mistake, you also won't know. So you need to find out all this. Okay. All right. So down here now, you try now. Add up all together. How much you get? Anyone? Anyone? Can you use a calculator? Use a
$10.70.
Okay, good. $10.70. But you see, you have to pay now more. You know? You must pay more than $10.70. You have to pay GST. Some restaurant like the one down here, I just show you down here. This restaurant here, they put the GST inside. This one GST is inside already. But some restaurant, they don't. GST must be paid separately. Let me see now. Let me see. Yeah, wow. You can see all my receipts now.
So many.
Yeah, many. This is for the whole production. The KFC one, you cannot see. Yeah. I think there's one of it, the GST is very clear. Oh, I think I know. Sub Thai. Sub Thai.
Who even see this picture?
Yeah, can you see down here? Down here, this thing now GST is 1.71, but they already included it. Down here, they did not include the GST. GST is separate. That means you must pay more than $10.70. You understand? Where does the money go? The 7% goes to the government. So you find out how much is this? 7%. How to find out? 7% of what? 7 over 100. Sorry, yeah. 7 over 100 times by how much? How much is total? 1070 lah.
Times by 10.7.
How much is it? Can you find?
Wait.
You mean can find?
I can answer.
Okay, what's the answer?
The answer is 749 out of 1,000.
Okay, so we make it as 75. Okay, nearest two decimal place. So 75 cents. 75 cents you have to pay to the government. So now what is the total of bill you need to pay? You must plus the two. Can you plus the two? How much you need to pay the pay the restaurant? 1070 plus 75 cents. How much you must pay? Add the two. Come on, add the two. Naomi and Shafia. Shafia, I don't see you giving the answer yet. Just sitting there. Come on. 1070 plus 75 cents. How much is it? Come on. Plus. How much you get? 10, 11, 45. Is this correct? Yes. So $11.45. Now, how much they give? The person gave how much? Look, down here also you have it now. Down here, hold on. See? Cash given. Let me see. The other receipts may have this. Cash given. Wait. I saw this.
Why do you think on this picture?
Because I need to claim. Down here, see? Cash given $50. How much you pay? $13.70. You take $50 minus $13.70. This is the change you are supposed to get back. $36.30. Now same thing lah. You pay $20 now. What is the change? Come on. You pay $20. How much is the bill? $11.45. Take 20 minus 11.45. Come. How much? Anyone? Come on.
What you say?
Take $20 minus 11.45. This is, you will get the answer. $8.55. Okay. So Naomi asking, if you use your phone calculator, is it okay? Yeah, can. But sometimes you need to use square root. In primary 6, there are some function you cannot get on your handphone. Secondary school maths also you cannot use, you must use calculator. Primary 5 is still okay to use your phone. Primary 6, some questions you cannot do without your calculator, like square root. Square root, you see what is square root? Like that, lah. Square root. See what is this sign? You will learn this sign. Okay,
How about this sign? How about this
Which
sign?
sign? Which sign? Pi, yes. In pi also you don't have this in pi this is for circles. Circles. It's a special number.
What is that for?
Circle. Calculating the perimeter of the circle, area of circle, you need to use pi. It's a special number. Okay. Okay, so now you're gonna answer 855.
It's like,
But
it's like this.
Where? Yes. We can see only your reflection. Your screen is too shiny. Your screen too shiny. We can only see your reflection. Correct, right, Naomi? We cannot see any number. Okay, because sometimes when the boy is too handsome, he become a mirror. Now down here now, this is the change that you get. Now they say give your answer to the nearest 10 cents. So nearest tens lah. So nearest tens now you must look at here. And then sorry. Here, look at this. Do you plus one? Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 must plus one. So 8.6 or $8.60. Okay, the rest are coming in. We'll just stop for a while. We wait for the rest to come in.
Why?
You don't want them to come in?
No.
We let them in lah. We let them. Okay, the rest we just wait for 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay.
What's the name? Izal.
Okay, we wait for a while. There are, I think, about a few more coming in. Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. I'm going to get something. You want to get your drink? Get your drink. We're starting in 1 minute's time.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. And no one else is here. Allahu Akbar. Where's the rest? Okay, let me see. Students always need to be called. But why is it I need to call the students all the time? Okay, let's see.
Sometimes you forget what.
Yeah.
Not like me, right? Very punctual.
Yeah, you're punctual. That's why you're very good. Okay, let's see. Who else? Who else? The main guest star. Okay, and we'll start without them. All right, okay. We are going to do paper one now. Now we're going to do paper one. That's not it. We did some stuff. So, Izzat, you okay? Izzat, you look very bored. Okay. Okay, and here we go. Now we're going to start from the basics. Okay, this is from 2016. It's a CA2 papers 5 years ago when you were just in primary 1. Okay. Okay, great. All right. Okay, we are doing question 1 and question 2. Myra and
16 and 17.
16 and 17. Oh, actually, I should start from question 1. But never mind. 16 and 17. Makan, eh? I'm eating better pop ice cream. Yum, yum. Let us see. Mr. Izzat, well done. Actually, yours is to the nearest. No. We do not 1,000. Shafia got a check. Kashfir got a check. Izzat, well done. What about the rest? Come on.
Sure.
Hmm.
When I go to the Shahid Palim, right? Trying to share my reading.com.
Yeah.
Then I see the clip of that one.
The what?
The clip.
The clip. Oh, video clip. Yeah.
No, it's not my page.
It's not your base. Huh? Shafia was too big, lah. Shalina, well done. What about Umaira? Whenever I call your name, Myra, there's an echo. Go. Now you know you gotta check. Okay. Come. This one nearest 100. How to do? 2, 4, 2. Putra, so you gotta see this, huh? 9, 7, 1. Putra, which digit is in the hundreds place? Is it 4 or 1? 2 or 7 or 9? Which one?
What is it?
Which one is in the hundreds place?
9.
9, yeah. So ones, tens, 100. Then you underline it. Look at the digit beside it. Can you look at the digit beside it? Do you plus 1? Yes, because 5, 6, 7, 8. So you plus 1, this one become 10. No? Once become 10, you have to add another 1 here. You must plus 1 here. But once you plus 1, 9 plus 1 become 10. Then you carry it over to that side. Become 4, 3, 0. The rest becomes 0, 0. The 7, 1 must become 0 also. Okay, if they say nearest 100, all the rest down here becomes 0. After that becomes 0. So it's 43,000. Okay, we got to practice this again. Can you try now? Before we go to question 17, we will. Sorry, let me. There are people. Oh, they started like that. No wonder I was thinking. Okay, never mind. We don't do question 17 this. We do questions 18 and 19. If you have done 17, you can tell me the answer. I can check for you. We are doing question 18 and question 19. 18 and 19. Okay, down here is divide. This one is divide. I think you all can see. Oh, you got to check. There's an answer. This one cannot use calculator. Your answer very small, Naomi. Very small. Smaller than you. Smaller than Umaira also answer. Kashfir, well done. Okay. Shafia. Naomi is not a decimal. It's not decimal. This one is a whole number. The answer is whole number. Shafia. What's your answer? Come on, Shafia.
I already sent.
You already sent? So sorry.
The answer I give you is for 19.
19. Oh, okay. Sorry, sorry, miss. So your first answer is correct for that. Your first answer is correct. What about 18? 18, I'm not given. Okay, we go through 18, eh? Okay, so here we go. Very simple. What do we do first? If you don't know what to do first, habis. You do the brackets first. 11 minus 5, 15. Then you rewrite. Rewrite, don't say, I don't want to rewrite. Rewrite. We do it this way. It's good habit. Say, I don't want to rewrite. So don't say that.
Sure, my 19 correct.
Huh? You need to delete something. Okay.
I say my question 19 correct.
Okay, hold on. Yes, correct. And you mute yourself, I can hear what your sister is saying. It's okay to hear what they're saying. Now, which one do we do next? Divide or times or plus? Remember, first is bracket. Second one, times and divide. Then which one you do? Divide or times? You do the left one first. 30 divided by 15, you get 2. Say, I don't know how to do 13 divided by 15. Okay, then you reduce. Okay, how to reduce? Okay, this one, for those who don't know, because sometimes this session for tuition is for you to revise. So divide by 5. You divide by 5 also. How much you get? You get 6 over 3. Now this one, you can, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So now you get 2. Then you must times by 2. Hey, sorry, Allah. Sorry. I made a mistake. Hey, you all didn't correct me. I go in. Why did I get 15 in it? 11 minus 6. Hello, you must correct me. I made mistake down here. I put 15. I don't know why I put 15. I take 16 minus. Okay, 11 minus 6 is how much? 11 minus 6 is 5. Sorry, yeah. You see, while I'm talking now, I want to write the right answer. I'm writing the wrong answer. So it shows if, let's say, if you don't focus, you also have the wrong answer. So you do the divide first. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Then you need to times by 2, right? You times 2, you get 12. After that, plus 3. 12 plus 3, 15. Okay, the next one. Very simple. What is this? This is 6 over 100. How to write it as decimal? 0.06. How do we know? 1 0 is 1 blank. Another 0, another blank. Then put the 6 inside. This is your answer. Those of you got it correct, congratulations. All right, huh? Here we go. That's
Oh, got correct.
You got correct? Huh? Only you.
All the questions.
Yeah, both questions you got correct. Not only you, the rest, some of the rest got it right. So when I tell them you got it correct, they all know who they are. Express number 20, yeah. Change the, yeah, no need to change. It's the same unit. I keep saying, must wear spectacles. So your answer here must have percentage. Huh? Change it to. Izzat, you got to check. Oh, wait. Izzat. Okay, just a moment. See whether you're... Yeah, Izzat, you're right, correct. Congratulations, Izzat, very fast. Come on, what about the rest? Come on. Make it a fraction, then just times by 100. Remember, I told you want to change any fraction or decimal, you just times by 100. So make this into a fraction and times by 100. You will get your answer.
Sure, I don't understand.
Okay, no problem. They want you, this is the part. This is the part. This is the whole. In a part and a whole, you can form into a fraction. For example, Naomi has $10. She spent $3. They want to ask you express 3 as a percentage of 10. So 3 is the part. The whole is 10. Then this is fraction, right? How to change your percentage? Just times by 100. So first you need to do the same thing down here. You need to express it as a fraction now. 16 is at the top. The bottom number is 200. How do we know? Because they say 16 out of, see the word off, it goes below. Sometimes off can be times, but this one is a fraction. They ask you to make it a fraction first. Then after that, you times by 100. There's two ways of doing this. I show you both ways, okay? This is one way. Another way, just put 16 over 200. I think Izzat probably did this way, maybe. Then he say, what is percentage? Percentage is a fraction with denominator 100. So how do you get from 200 to 100? I divide by 2. Yeah, can do this way also. I divide by 2. I get 8. So 8 over 100 is 8%. Or you can use this side. Cancel 1, cancel 2, cancel 1, cancel 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So first you need to understand this language. You see what sort of language is this? Okay, so we got to understand this language. Yeah? So Naomi, it's good that you tell you don't know, because some other students also don't know, but they don't say anything. So now if I'm gonna write down here, okay, express example, express your, alamak, cannot write properly. Sekejap. Let me just use this one. Hold on. Use this one fast. I can type. Express your weight. Express your weight as a fraction of your mother's weight. You know your mother's weight? So I don't know. Okay, let's say your weight lah. Okay, we take Naomi lah. You know your mother's weight.
152.
152 kg. Takkan your mother so big. Let's say lah. Example lah 152. Let's say now your weight, let's say 60 lah. Example. So this, then what's your weight? 2 kg. Lesser than baby. 42. Okay, let's say 42 lah. 36. Okay, 36. Okay. So this is now, let's say 136, it goes on top. Your mother's weight goes below. But your mother's weight cannot be 152. Later I'll show you how heavy. Yeah, please go. Shafia, please go. Shafia, go. So this is what we mean. Express your weight as a fraction of your mother's weight. Okay, another way of writing. You must know this maths language, okay? Express 20 gram as a fraction of let's say 50 grams. How to write? You all know how to write? You tell me how to write. 20 over 50. But this is not the final answer, you know. You can cancel, no, the 0. Then it becomes 2 over 5. Okay? 2 over 5. Wow. Sorry, trying to write down 2 over 5. So you must understand this is, what is this saying? This is a maths language, you know. Maths is a language actually. So you must know what they're saying. In this case, they want you to make it a fraction, but they want you to change the fraction later to percentage. Okay, I hope you're okay, okay? Naomi, okay, Naomi? It's good you're asking questions. You know, most students don't ask questions. When I was a student last time, I always ask my teachers questions. Until the teacher says, we will explain it after the exam. Can you imagine? I was in JC. I was asking my teacher, say, Shahid, we will talk about this after the exam. I said, but it's something I'm asking you about the subject. Say, we have no time for that. Actually, the teacher couldn't answer the question, and then they just tried to run away from me. But it's good for you to ask questions. Why? You will be knowledgeable. You will really understand. What you don't understand, you ask. But sometimes teachers will not be able to answer a question because no time, sometimes. But if it's an important question, they should. Myra, are you there? Myra, come. We do the next one, Myra. Come. We are doing this one now. We're doing this one. Come. Ratio. Boys and girls. Come on, very easy, very easy, very easy. Now they ask you express a fraction. Fraction must have a top number and a bottom number. Must have two numbers. Two numbers, so you must get your numbers correct. Yes, now they want the number of boys and not number of girls, no. Total number. You must write 1 over the other. 1 over the other. Come on, you can do this. Come on. Send your answers in. Come on. Offer. Now this the durian is on offer. No? And you notice if you all the thing, you were not too young for this. Come on. What number, Umaira? What number is on the top, Umaira? Umaira, what number is on the top, Umaira? Come on, Umaira, tell us. Come on. They say number of boys. How many? Come on, Umaira. Umaira say 9. Okay, Umaira, good. 9, and she's correct. What's the bottom number, Umaira? Total number. Total, not girls, you know. Total. You tell me an answer, you ask me to plus. Okay, 27. Is this the final answer? This is not final answer because it's not in simplest form. Please, boys and girls, reduce it to simplest form and then you are able to get this answer.
The answer is 3 out of 9. Then you can simplify again equals to
3 and 9.
1 out of 3.
1 out of 3, good. You can divide by 9 straight. Divide by 9, 1 or 3. Well done. Remember, this is not the full answer, okay? So you read the question, and sometimes this is mathematics language. No, some of you don't like mathematics language. It's a ratio, number of boys, number of girls. No one speaks like that at all. Anyone speak like that? No, right? In real life, this is a language on its own. You must know how to understand this language. And for your information, the whole heavens and the earth is all based on this language. You want to send a missile now from one country to another missile, that uses mathematics as a language. Your computer uses mathematics as a language. So you must learn that language. See, I don't want to learn that silly language. It's not so silly, actually. It's actually quite. But anyway, here we do some. Hold on, no. We do not want this one. We want decimal, percentage. No, not this one. Not this one. This one we want. We want this one. Come on. Mimi, you can do this. Try to add the numbers down here, then you can see the pattern. Shafia, come back. Shafia, where are you? You see, you go toilet. I'm still in the toilet. Sorry. Okay. What are you doing there?
My sister at the toilet.
Aduh, your sister is out. What is she doing in the toilet so long? Tell her not to put up makeup and all. Don't need to put on makeup. Okay, come. Selena, get no, Selena. Let us see. Oh, Selena just send me answer. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let us see whether you're correct in this. We can also try to do it backwards, no, Naomi? Let's see. If your answer is that, let's see. Does it work? 0.58. Okay. Looks possible, 0.57. Let's see. 0.56. Oh, looks possible, 0.55, 0.54, 0.53, 0.52, 0.51, 0.50, and 0.49. And good try, but it doesn't work. If you don't really go backwards, 0.54, 0.53, 0.52, 0.51, 0.50, 0.4, doesn't work. Okay, but good try, Naomi, you are getting there. The person who tries is the one who will score. You know, they found out by research, the person who scored the highest number of goals in any game, whether it be soccer, basketball, netball, or whatever other game, they will make the most number of misses. Misses, you know. But the person who never tries at all, they will never score. Some might be too afraid. You got to follow the 3-step method I taught before. Step 1, big number minus small number. Step 2, divide by the number of parts. How many parts are there? Then you can find one part. Big number minus small number. What do you care? This is what you get. Then divide by the number of parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aduh, 6 parts. Huh? So 0.15 divided by 6. How to divide? How to divide by 6? Okay, we got to do something like that. Long division. A little bit challenging. This paper is a little bit challenging. Huh? So 0 divided by 6, 0. Put the dot. 1, you cannot. Put a 0. Well done, Shalina. Then you add on until you get here. All right. Then now 15. 15, you can get 12. 12 divided by 6, you get 2. Minus, you get 3. You can add a 0 down here and bring down. Why can add a 0? Because it's decimal. Decimal, you can add as many zeros as you can add 1,000 zeros. 36 divided by 30 divided by 6, you get 5. Oh, so you are saying 1 is so small? Yes, 1 is so small. So what is this one? You add 0.025 plus 4, 0.4. You add down here, you can get the next one. So what is this? The next one, I write it down. This one, the next one is you add, you get 0.425. So down here, you add down here, add to down, because this is nearer. You don't want to start adding from here. Add from down here. You plus 0.025. Okay, this one you change 0.5. Add, you get 0.525. Then the next one, add again another 5 to 5, you get 5 to 5, you add 10, 5, 0. Sorry. 5, what am I doing? Sorry, yeah. 5, this is 5. 0.550. Or you can just write 0.55. Last one now, last one. 0.55 plus 0.02. You get 625, 675. 675. Hold on, 1 minute, 1 second, 55, right? Aduh, salah lah. I made mistake. Oh, I made mistake. So sorry again. My bad. Okay, I see. If I'm just a little bit distracted, me as a teacher, a little bit distracted, I can make mistakes. What about you guys? Same thing. Okay, I'm gonna. It's 0.025, right? Okay, you can use your calculator for this one. I mean, to check the answer. Okay, but actually 0.025. I copied the wrong number just now. So 0.575. So down here is 0.575. Then you add another 0.025. What do you get? 0.6 that you get. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. Okay, carry 1. 1 plus 7 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1. 0.600, but you write it as 0.6. The last one now, 0.6 plus 0.025. Together you get 0.625. So your answer is 0.625, you know. Tricky, yeah? But notice I made a mistake when I was distracted. What am I distracted by? I'm distracted by many things. So if let's say for tuition, you're not paying attention, habis lah. You will not be able to understand and you will make mistakes. So be careful. Okay, so the answer is 0.625. You know how to do step 1? Bigger number minus smaller number. Find the answer. You get 0.15. Then divide by the number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 between the two numbers. Between the two numbers, how many parts? There's 6. Divide by 6, you get, therefore, one part is how much? One part is 0.025. Then you add on. But don't add on from now here. You add on from here, 0.55 plus, blah, blah, blah. You get this. Okay. Yeah, a little bit tricky, this question. It's quite tough. In fact, this paper they wrote is quite challenging. Can you see that? Down here. Rosa's challenging exam paper. And their school is full of smart students and they give tough questions. Down here. No, you're not ready for this one. Sorry, hold on. Let me just see. Okay, we move to another paper. This CA2 paper. It might be easier. Let me see. But I want us to do the decimal or percentage. This one is not the one. Sorry, Let's see. We don't want angles. Ratio. Okay, can we do ratio for this one first? This ratio, this one is quite a basic ratio. You need to be able to do this. You can draw a model if you want to. You gotta think, don't do gasabota thing, okay? It's not too direct, not too easy, I mean, you will be tricked if you think the answer is just very simple. Don't be tricked. Think carefully. Think carefully. You have been tricked. Which one is more expensive, Mr. Putra? The far is more expensive. But your answer said the far is cheaper. Far is more expensive. Far, the number must be bigger. This is file. This is pen, If your number is smaller, that means smart file is cheaper. Number is bigger means file is more expensive. Come on. You must read this carefully. This is maths language. Maths language can be tricky, The cost of a file is twice 2 times, the cost of 2 pens. So is that you are saying the file is cheaper? Which one is more expensive? This file, this is file. Okay, what do they say? They say that this file is twice. Twice means times 2. The price of what? 2 pence times 2 pence. So one file has the same price as how many pence? 4 pence. Why 4 pence? Because it's twice 2 pence. 2 pence times 2, 4 pence. The price of a file is the same as 4 pence. So the file is 4 times. Pen is 1 time. The file down here is like this is the file. is the same as 4 pence. This is the pen. Can you see? This is the pen. Now, when we compare pen to file, one file is big 4 times of 1 pen. See why 4 to 1? Because 1 file to 1 pen. 1 file is 1 file. 1 pen is here. Are you all okay now? You all don't get it. From the look on your face, don't get it. Okay, so we have to give you another question now. You must be able to break this down. If you don't break this down, you won't understand what they're saying. So what do you mean by break this down? So I break down for you. I show you what I mean. I read it step by step, part by part. The cost of a file, we are talking about price of 1 file, is twice. Twice is 2 times. 2 times. The cost of 2 pence. 2 pence times 2, 4 pence. So 1 file is 4 pence. Same price as 4 pence. 1 file is the same as 4 pence. Now they didn't ask you that. They say what is the ratio of 1 file and 1 pen. So 1 file is actually 4 units. 1 file, 4 units. 1 pen, 1 unit. 4:1. Okay, I'm not too sure whether you get it now, but I'm hoping that. Number 1, in order to get it, you need to concentrate. You don't concentrate, that's it. How do we know you concentrate? No one knows. Only you yourself know. See why only you yourself know? Because you know whether you're concentrating or not. Okay, we try this one. Question 17. This is divide. You must be able to get this right. If you're not getting it right, it means you're not concentrating. This is divide. Putra, come Putra. Putra tired already dah. Oh, let's see. That's very fast.
Don't judge the person by its cover.
Wow. Ow! Oh, oh. Very good. Very good. Don't judge a book by its cover. Good advice. 12, 16, 16. Well done, Mr. Putra. Congratulations. Very good. Husna Shafia, come back. Adik Shafia. Alia. Come on, Nayumi. Come on, Umaira. Come on. Umaira, come on. Nayumi, come on. Husna Shafia, come on.
Teacher,
Yeah.
is it 29?
Congratulations. Well done.
What is it on?
Yeah, why you say answer now? People saying why you say answer now, the rest going to say answer. Well done. Is that okay? So here we go. We do step by step. So now you mean now be sure you do bracket first. Be sure you do plus or divide. You must do divide first. Why? Remember the steps. Do bracket first. And then after that, do times or divide. If you have both, do the left one first. You see, times might be first. No, it can be divide or times. Say divide first. Did you do the one on the left? And then after that, you do plus and minus. Which one you do first, plus or minus? It doesn't matter if plus, minus or plus. You must do the left one first. So now we do bracket. We do this one. But inside there's plus and divide. Which one we do? Brackets. Then do the divide. So you get 12 out here. You say how you get 12? Do the same thing. You can reduce. Can reduce if you want to. Sorry, So you get 12. Okay, Putra, if I make a mistake, today I made a few mistakes. So you please correct me.
Not few.
Who is singing? Kakak. Okay, so 4 plus, then you must do the bracket. 4 plus 12, you get 16. So which one do you do? Times or minus? Times are because they say do brackets, then times, then plus minus. Okay, you get 32. Well done, Shalina. -3. Get 29. Yeah, hope you get it, eh? Hope you get it. Here we go. We have only 22 minutes. Huh? We don't do this now. We don't do this. We don't do this. Shafia, what are you doing, Shafia? I want to chonting your face, Shafia says. Don't chonting my face, now, Shafia. Why are you chonting my face? I don't like your face. Why? How can you say that, Shafia? It's not good. Myra, do this one, Myra. What are you doing, Myra? Stop playing fidgeting with the fidgets. Fidgets. Question 23. Huh? Okay, come. Question 23 is decimal. Remember, your CA2 will test you on decimal at P5 for sure. This one is tricky. They make it so tricky. They made it too tricky. But never mind, we try. We try. You can draw a model if you want to. Hey, don't BTS, not BTS, don't BTS. I don't believe in this Korean anything. I think they got a problem with the self-esteem. No self-esteem. I don't think they love themselves. People who love themselves don't. Ayo, stop making apa ini? I think this. Apalah. Okay, come. For your info, they go for plastic surgery, cosmetic surgery all the time.
No.
Yes, almost all of them go. All the stars. The real Korean doesn't look like that.
But last time this one what?
What?
But sometimes but last time they didn't go, they only do the hair.
Hair. Yeah, but now they are doing some other stuff. Come, let's try question 23. Okay, I apologize for bringing up the Koreans, but it's true. Anyway, now we'll try question number 23. Umaira, are you doing question 23, Umaira? You can do it. Is it too tough? Isaac can do it, Isaac? I will draw some models to help you. There's the basket, the ball. Come, Putra, stop fighting. Why are you fighting with others? You're supposed to be a friend. Don't lembik other people. Okay, now down here. There are 5 balls inside a basket. And the weight of this is 14.9 kg. That's what they say, 14.9. The next one, you can try to draw like you want to, then you'll be able to get it. The mass of the 5 balls is heavier. You can even draw the model for the next one. Not in this form, they're using rectangles. Come on, Shafia, come on, Shafia. Seem to be smiling at others. It's okay to smile, it's very sweet smile. But we are doing this question, come on. Total mass of the 5 balls is 1.1 kg heavier. So how? Okay, I let one ball be 1 square. 5 balls, 5 square. Okay. This is the balls. Some basket. Basket BT lah. BTS lah. Some ball BA. Now the basket is 1.1 kg lighter. 1.1 kg lighter. This whole thing is 14.9 kg. So I'm drawing now in a different model. This is the model again. If you can understand, then this will help you to solve. I will draw this again from here. Okay, we do not know how much is it. I think, let me just redraw. Let's say it's like that. We also don't know how much. But the difference is 1.1 kg. So how to do this model? Okay, you don't look at this, don't look at the first model then. This second model is the one. If you know how to do model, you can solve this already. We give you 1 minute, okay? 1 minute. Shalina, know how to do, Shalina?
So later can I share you something?
Yeah, can later. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right. My suggestion now is very simple.
What is it?
Okay, you just add 1.1 kg. This becomes the same weight as 5 balls. So when you add 1.1 kg, this one becomes the same as 5 balls. Down here, you must also add 1.1 kg. So you get 16 kg. 15 kg. 16 kg, correct? 16 kg. So now, down here is for how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 balls, 16 kg. 1 ball, you divide by 10. You get 1.6 kg. 1.6
Is this
kg.
all ball?
Down here, can you see now? The basket is lighter than the.
I know.
Ball.
What they say about ball?
Why do they say about
Ball.
ball?
Yeah, what
I
are
don't-
they?
I do not know. I don't know why the question is about ball.
They
So
just
what?
say
Yeah, they mention this could be metal balls lah. Okay, so one ball is 1.6 kg. You got your answer already, yeah? Do you get it? You don't get it, right? You don't get it, I'll give you another question. You all get it or not? Shalina, you get it?
yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'll give you another question like this. Because I don't think you all get it. Go, Naomi, go. Okay. Let me see, yeah. I'll give you another question. You want a sticker? Right. 3 identical bars lah. Into apa?
What bar?
Gold bars.
Chocolate.
Gold bars. Then the total mass of the bars and the basket is, I will give you this in a moment. Let me calculate. Hold on. If the total mass of the 3 bars is 1 kg heavier than the basket, find the mass of 1 gold bar. Okay, I'm going to give you, try this one. I'm going to give you now the weight of here. Let me count now. Hold on. Okay, hold on. 11 kg. You try. You can do this. You can do this. Draw this type model.
What is the main purpose of you recording?
What? What's the purpose of what?
I think what's the main purpose of you recording these things?
Oh, many reasons. Number one is for students like your sister, they will want to revise.
Who's my sister?
Your sister, for the other class, she wants to revise, right?
Yeah.
So whatever they cannot get in the lesson, if they watch the video, they can get it.
Then why you upload to YouTube?
Yeah, so that it's easier for you to revise. You can just go to YouTube. Izzat, please carry on, Izzat. Please carry on. Okay, come on. Anybody? If you get it correct, I'll give you a free.
Where did you get there?
I'll give you a free corn, especially for Umaira. Umaira,
Sure, where did you get?
I bought it from the shop. This can feed your birds with the like corn.
I say where you live.
Where do I bought it from Toa Payoh? Some shop in Toa Payoh. I live in Toa Payoh. Where
Where you
do
live in Toa Payoh?
yeah?
Okay.
Why are you so shocked?
Okay.
Toa Payoh is for old people. The boy in red, come on, do this question. Huh? You're following what I'm doing. That's my day dance. Okay, let's check on the students whether they can get it or not. Shalina can do, Shalina. What's your answer, Shalina? Shalina can do, Isaac can do. Or no one is doing it. Okay, I am now going to draw the model. First of all, they say that there's 3 identical gold bars. 1, 2, 3. So this is the gold bars, huh? And then there's also the basket. The 3 gold bars is 1 kg. Let's say down here lah, maybe 1 kg lighter than it's 1 kg. Then the gold bars. And the total weight is 11 kg. Now I've drawn for you now part of it. Can you try and see what to do? This is the model. This is the model. Try. We got not much time now. Okay, so what am I going to do? This one's 1 kg. I'm going to add 1 kg. When I add 1 kg, this is the same as 3 gold bars. See, from here, I add 1 kg, I get the whole thing now here. It becomes the same. So I add 1 kg down here. It becomes 12 kg. So what equals to 12 kg? Well, how many gold bars I see? How many gold bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 gold bars. 6 units. 1 unit is how much? 2 kg. So if we check, that means this is 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg. The basket itself is 1 kg lighter than the 6 kg, it's 5 kg. So correct, 6 plus 5 is 11. Yeah, I hope you know how to get it. All right, we move on now. Move on. Okay, we are now going to. I'm worried that you all are in La La Land. I don't know whether you all in La La Land or not.
What is La La?
La La Land is a place called Dreamworld. Dreamworld. Let's say, for example, let's see, Seattle is very short. Myra, are you okay, Myra?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, good. I'm just checking whether Sienna will do a Shafia. Shafia, are you okay, Shafia? See, Shafia, Shafia is La La Land. Shafia. Okay, we do this last question. This is on decimal. Remember, these sort of questions are going to appear for your exams while I play my harmonica. I got no food. All I'm eating is corn. I feel like a rat.
Nice one.
There's no taste at all.
But at least you can do this. You take all the
What?
corn.
Hmm?
You take the corn, then you pluck out all the corn, then you put in like a bowl. Then you go to the oven, then you set the temperature, then it will all like pop.
Okay, I will
After
try.
it pop, then you put caramel.
Wow. Okay, I will try to do that. So that's the
Or
recipe.
you can also get popcorn kernels, but then once you put the caramel candy, you put caramel candy, then you put the popcorn kernel, then you plug in the caramel.
But this is already cooked in water. Can I use this? I think cannot, huh? It has to be the uncooked one. But I will try. Two minutes more. We have to extend a little bit, okay? We extend to 7:15, is it okay?
No, you can extend to 8 o'clock.
Okay, great. Well done. See, some students looking very worried. Only Shalina
Even
smiling.
2 a.m.
2 a.m. until 2 a.m. Okay.
My battery very good.
Okay, very good battery. Come, since your battery very good, you try now to focus on this one. See, can you give us the answer? Okay, I already fill up for you. 11:30 to 6. We divide 11:30 to 11:59. How much? 12 to 5. How much? 5:01 to 6 p.m. How much? 7 o'clock. So I'm going to do it now. Huh? 60 cents per hour. 11:30 to 11:59 is not even 1 hour. So this must be 60 cents. Now, again, why am I putting it here? 11:30 to 11:59 because it start at 11:30. And then down here, this is the price until 11:59. So we must put until 11:59. 60 cents because it's less than 1 hour. 12 to 5, how many hours is that? 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 hours. 5 times 110, 550.
Sure.
Hold on. The last one, let me score this goal. Then the last one is per entry. So you, no matter how many hours, you still pay only 250. And you add them together.
Popcorn.
Okay, popcorn in a moment, popcorn. So how much you get? 860, yeah? $8.60. Yes, Mr. Uttara. Did I make
know?
Huh? No, nothing.
You know, right?
Yeah, did I know?
That there is the biggest penis in the world.
What is that? Biggest what?
I say there's top 10 biggest peanuts in the world.
Peanuts. Okay. Okay.
I can show you. Look.
Okay, sure. Okay. All right, we will let you show till we end here, but we're gonna let Mr. Okay, you can share screen, but don't share nonsense, huh?
Share what? Oh, you mean that I think that I want to share you.
You wanna share, right? You say you wanna share?
Yeah.
Jungkook. Doing on phone one. He doing on phone one. Permission to dance. I don't like that song. N-hyphen. Why you guys search BTS?
I don't know. You say you want to show us the biggest peanut.
Yeah.
That's not peanut. That's it.
Hyphen.
Okay lah. All right lah. I thought you say you want to show us
That
bigger
is
peanut.
the biggest thing in the world.
All right then. We'll catch up again next week. Assalamualaikum.
Wait,
Bye.
so fast.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I thought
Yeah.
you said 7:15.
The story that you told us last week.
The story about the cat.
Your story.
About the cat. About the
You
kucing.
know about the cat? No, the
kucing.
scary story.
Yeah, you haven't finished.
So do I continue now?
Yeah.
No, no. I got another
It's
section. After you.
okay.
I'm gonna
So
start.
please, sir.
Please.
Okay, where did I stop?
Yeah, all
Oh,
waiting.
you stop at the person, the Kasim Selamat.
Kasim Selamat.
You stop at the Kasim, stop at the where Kasim they saw the kitten, the cat in the forest, then want to go to the newborn baby.
Yeah, so he went to the new. So at night, Mr. Kasim waited in the jungle lah. Yeah. And then after that, what happened? He saw that the cat was walking through the jungle towards the house of a lady who had just given birth. Apa ini? Who's sharing ni? Okay. That's it lah. That's the end of the story lah. I will tell you the next round. Okay. And then just as he entered the place, Shafia sharing screen. I'm very frightened. Okay. All right lah. That's it. I tell you what. I will share another time. So the moment I share, the screen will change. Okay. So what happened was, the moment the cat entered, he rushed to the house, and then he saw that the cat was heading for the person's room, very quickly, But there was a scream in the house, and the cat someone saw the cat about to attack the baby, newborn baby, and the cat was chased out. When the cat ran out of the house, immediately Mr. Kasim took the blanket and covered it. The cat was actually caught. He brought the cat back to his home, and he tied the cat up. And then he asked the cat, say, who are you? Apa ni sound ni? So who are you? And the cat is saying, I'm just a little cat, that's all. It says, little cats. I'm just a little cat, that's all. But then Mr. Kasim says, cats don't talk. So who are you? Now, when he looked at the cat, I forgot to tell you, the cat's eyes all black. There's no white part, just all black, all black. So he knew something was wrong. The cat pretended to be a small cat, a cute cat, but Mr. Kasim, he had a rotan with him. Remember, he going to beat up his own cat, remember? Remember not? Beginning. So he started whacking this cat, and the cat started screaming and shouting as a human being. And he says, you better tell me who you are. Okay, I'll continue in the next round. Okay, let me continue the next round. We catch up again in the next lesson. You remind me.
Sure.
Yeah, I got to go. I got the next round. I got the next class now, coming soon. Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Assalamualaikum. Bye.